So today I will tell you the dangerous side effects and all the details of this medicine. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdul Rafi. I'm Doctor of Pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Concor and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is bisoprolol hemifumarate. It is a 5 mg tablet and its manufacturer is Martin Dow. Bisoprolol hemifumarate is a cardioselective beta blocker. It is used in the treatment of hypertension, which is also known as high blood pressure, and also in the treatment of coronary heart disease, which is also known as angina pectoris. So it's a very good and effective medicine. So now let's discuss its dangerous side effects. The most common side effects that beta blocker cause are bradycardia, which is the lowering of blood pressure, low blood pressure. It can worsen the pre-existing heart failure. It can also cause dizziness, headache, which is the pain in head, gastrointestinal complaints such as nausea, which is the feeling of vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, feeling of coldness or numbness in the extremities, which means that numbness or coldness feeling in the lower extremities. It can also cause hypertension, which is the low blood pressure, asthenia, which is the weakness of the body, especially energy down or low energy, fatigue, which is the exhaustion of body, and tiredness. It can also cause other side effects. These side effects are uncommon, which means that these are not caused in everybody. Means these side effects are not felt by everybody. It can cause AV conduction disturbances, worsening of pre-existing heart failure, bradycardia, bronchospasm. It causes bronchospasm in patients having asthma or obstructive airway disease. It can also cause muscle weakness and muscle cramps, asthenia, as I have told you that it is the weakening of body. It can also cause depression and sleep disorders. In rare side effects, it can also cause increase in triglycerides level and also can increase liver enzymes such as AL8, AS8, and can also reduce the tear flow. It can also cause hearing disorders, which are very dangerous. It can also cause allergic rhinitis, hypersensitivity reactions which such as itching, flush, rash, hepatitis, which is the inflammation of liver, potency disorders, nightmares, and hallucination. Hallucination are all the things which are not real and are false perceptions of the patient. It can be visual, it can be auditory. Okay, and in very rare it can cause conjunctivitis, alopecia. Beta blockers may provoke or worsen psoriasis. It can also induce psoriasis and can also worsen it. It can also cause psoriasis like rash also. This medicine can cause all these side effects, but here you are seeing that common, uncommon, rare, very rare. It depends on their occurrence, that how many people feel these side effects. Here very common and common are those side effects that are felt by everybody. In uncommon, rare, and very rare are those side effects which are felt by less people, like for example 5 or 10 in 100 people. So these are the side effects, but these all can be caused, and its side effects occurrence depends on patient to patient. It varies from patient to patient. Okay, the question arises that if it has so much side effect, then why we are using this medicine? So the answer is very easy. It is very effective in lowering the blood pressure, so that's why we are using it, and these side effects as compared to its use are nothing, and it's a very good medicine. So for more details about this medicine, and especially its more side effects and its drug-drug interactions, contraindications, and whether it is good for you or not, and should we use it in pregnancy or breastfeeding, and for all of the details you should consult your pharmacist for it, and do not use it without consulting your physician. Okay, so that's for today. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question, you can also write in the comment section. And if you want this drug or any kind of drug you want, you can also write in the comment section. I will supply you. And now take care of yourself, and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdul Rafi in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad.